Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about obd2 code p0456. If you're getting this code, there's a good chance your check engine light is on. And if that's the case, it means your vehicle has a problem with the evaporative emission system, specifically a leak. But before we dive into what that means and how to fix it, if you like this video so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out. So p0456 is an evaporative emission system leak detected. This code is set when the powertrain control module or PCM detects a leak in the evaporative emission system. The evaporative emission system, also known as the EVAP system, is a vehicle S-onboard system that reduces the amount of gasoline vapors that are released into the atmosphere. Now these vapors can be very dangerous, so this system is very important. Now this code is a generic code, meaning it can apply to all vehicles. But the location of the leak and the parts involved can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle. Some vehicles may have a visual inspection port that can help pinpoint the location of the leak. So what are the symptoms of p0456? The check engine light will be illuminated, and you may also notice a decrease in fuel economy. And you may even feel like your vehicle is losing power. In some cases, the vehicle may not run smoothly and may stall. So what are some of the common causes of p0456? A faulty gas cap is the most common cause. Over time, the seal on the gas cap may become damaged or worn out, allowing fuel vapors to escape. A cracked or damaged fuel tank or fuel lines can also cause this code to be set. Also, a leaking fuel injector can cause fuel vapors to enter the exhaust system and trigger the code. A malfunctioning purge valve or vent valve can also cause this code to be set. And lastly, a clogged catalytic converter can also cause this code to be set. Alright, so let's talk about how to fix p0456. If the check engine light is on, I recommend clearing the code and seeing if it comes back. You can use an obd2 scanner to clear the code. Now, if the code does come back, then you need to inspect the evaporative emission system for leaks. Start by checking the gas cap to see if it's in good condition and is sealing properly. If the gas cap is not the problem, then you need to inspect the fuel tank and fuel lines for cracks or breaks. You may also need to inspect the purge valve and vent valve. If you're able to locate the leak, then you need to repair or replace the damaged component. Alright guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this.